Hey everyone, again welcome to this online course designed for 3D printing using Autodesk Fusion 360. As you can see right now on your screen, we are going to discuss more about this part, like what are its current features and how we are going to plan this part to remodel inside Autodesk Fusion 360 for 3D printing. So let's talk about the features of this part. So as you can see, this is the plastic part that we are going to model today. So here are two of the views, and here you can see the video of the 360 view of this model, this part. See, this is the molded product, plastic molded product. This has been molded using plastic material, and maybe the plastic category is something different that is very hard, as you can see. And also this is for the NEMA 17 stepper motor mount. This part is to mount NEMA 17 stepper motor. So if you are not aware about this motor, you can just search on the internet and you will be able to find all the details and the description. So here you can see we got 4 holes over here, the 1 hole, 2 hole, 3 hole and 4 holes. These small 4 holes of 3.5 millimeter size. So these 4 holes to mount the stepper motor onto this bracket, and then these slot holes, here you can see again these are 4 numbers. These slot holes are basically to mount your complete bracket onto a place if you want to, and these are being provided, these holes are being provided in a slot shape, because if you want to adjust the orientation of this motor a little bit, you can adjust it. If it is a circular hole, then you will not be getting any tolerance to adjust your part in any of the direction, but if it's a slot hole, you can adjust its place position by a certain amount, like 1 millimeter or 2 millimeters. And then here you can see these wedge shaped are basically to provide strength to this part. It will hold this wall and this wall together very strongly. So they had provided this kind of shape over here. So this complete body that we are going to redesign for 3D printing, and we'll 3D print this and we'll learn the complete process into this lesson. Also here you can see that these holes has been extruded by a certain millimeter of amount. Here you can see there are some additional materials on this face, on these holes. So these are basically if you want to put washers or gaskets onto these 2 holes, so just to compensate that. And again here you can see these ribs has been provided. These ribs, here you can see these straight ribs, these straight ribs that you can see, these straight ribs are again to add additional strength near to your hole, because whenever you create any hole into your body, it just weaken down the area around it. So that's why they had provided this additional material just to give some extra strength near to your hole. So this is basically the part that we are going to model into this complete course. So this was all about this part. I had explained everything about the design. So let's move on to our next lesson, that is lesson number 3, and in lesson number 3 we'll talk about our design approach. Thank you.